Welcome to RANA'S English Coffee. In this video, we are going to discuss the use of since and for with some easy tricks. What is since and what is for? These are the prepositions of time. First of all, I would like to introduce you types of time. I have divided time into two types. They are specific time and non-specific time. What is specific time? Specific time means definite time. We talk about clock and calendar time, right? What we mark or what we find in the clock or in the watch or in the calendar, they are called clock and calendar time. For example, 9:30 o'clock, Monday, January 2010 is 9:30 o'clock. This one is clock time. Monday, January and 2010, these are calendar time. Let us know non-specific time. Non-specific time means indefinite time. That refers to the amount of time. For example, 2 hours, 5 days, 10 years, 10 minutes. These are not specific. Let us know about the parts or forms of tenses. Each tense has 4 forms: simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. Let us know rules of since. Since plus specific time, but the sentence must be in the perfective form. What is perfective form? Perfective form refers to the perfect tense as well as perfect progressive tense. Let us know the examples. I have been working since 1990. This one is a specific time, right? The sentence is in the perfective form. Perfective form means here it is in the perfect progressive form. So we have to use here since. Next, she has been studying in America since 2018. Specific time and perfect progressive form. So you have to use since. Next one, she had received 15 March. This one is in the past perfect and this one is specific time. So we have to use since 15 March. Let us know another rule of since. It has been plus period of time plus since. For example, it has been 3 years is a period of time. Then since is used. So the example has been reflected. It has been 3 years since the last accident. Let us know rules of for. Rule number 1. For plus non-specific time, you can use any form. Any form. That may be simple, that may be progressive, that may be perfect or perfect progressive. Any tense you can use here. For example, I studied in Cambridge this 1 year. This one is non-specific time. This one is in the past simple. So we can use here for. He had been staying in Japan 4 years. This one is a non-specific time. And this one is in the form of past perfect progressive. We can use here for. Next rule. For plus all day or all the year, all the time. This one is incorrect. You cannot use for with all day or all the year or all the time. For example, he was working for all the day. This one is ungrammatical. This one is incorrect. The correct sentence is he was working all the day. This is my magic table. This table contains 9 boxes. Box number 1 is empty. In box number 2, I've written perfective form. In box number 3, I've written all forms. In box number 4, I've written specific time. In box number 5, I've written since. And box number 6 is empty. In box number 7, I've written non-specific time. And in box number 8, I've written for. And in box number 9, I've written for. Let us know how to apply this table or how to use this table. Fill in the blanks using since or for. I traveled 3 months. This one is in the past simple form and the time is non-specific time. Past simple, non-specific. That means all forms. All forms are non-specific for. Like she has been living in this town since 2005. This one is in the perfective form and the time is specific time. Perfective form and specific time. Perfective form and specific time. Yes, we have tried since. Number 3. It has been raining best known. Perfective form and specific time. Perfective form means it is in the form of present perfect progressive. Perfective form, specific time. Yes, we have to use here since. Number 4. He has been employed this September 2015. Time is specific time and it is in the perfective form. Perfective form, specific time. We have to use here since. Number 5. He has been teaching English this last 20 years. It is in the perfective form but the time is non-specific time. Perfective form, non-specific time. We have to use here for. Hope you have enjoyed my easy tricks in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Share and subscribe if you like it.